Direct action missions are the hallmark of elite military units, focusing on precision assaults against enemy personnel, equipment, and infrastructure. For us soldiers, particularly within Special Operations Forces (SOF), these operations often involve the use of machine guns, which are critical for laying down suppressive fire and neutralizing threats in high-intensity engagements. Machine guns provide overwhelming firepower and are key to ensuring mission success in direct combat scenarios. In this video, we'll explore how us soldiers utilize machine guns during direct action shooting missions, the types of machine guns employed, and the tactics that maximize their effectiveness. Direct action missions involve offensive, small-scale operations designed to seize, destroy, or capture specific targets. These missions can include 1. Raids on enemy positions or infrastructure. 2. Hostage rescue operations. 3. Targeted strikes on high-value individuals (HVIs). 4. Sabotage of key enemy resources. DA missions are typically swift, surgical, and executed by highly trained soldiers, often operating in hostile environments. Speed, precision, and overwhelming firepower are crucial components of these operations. Machine guns, being capable of delivering sustained, high-volume fire, play an essential role in these engagements by providing suppressive fire, which helps protect friendly forces while disorienting and overwhelming the enemy. Types of machine guns used by U.S. soldiers. U.S. soldiers have access to a variety of machine guns that are adapted for different mission profiles. These include M249 Squad Automatic Weapon Saw. The M249 Saw is a 5.56mm light machine gun that provides squad-level firepower. It is relatively lightweight and can be used effectively in close-quarters combat as well as during rapid assaults. Its portability makes it a favorite among units involved in direct action raids, where mobility is critical. M240 Billion Medium Machine Gun. The M240 Billion is a 7.62mm general-purpose machine gun GPMG that offers greater range and stopping power than the M249. It is often mounted on vehicles or used in defensive positions, but can also be employed in offensive direct action roles when heavier firepower is required. The M240 Billion is known for its reliability and high rate of fire, which can decisively shift the balance of power during firefights.
Down just a little bit.
M2 Browning Heavy Machine Gun. The M2.50 caliber machine gun is used for long-range fire support and is typically mounted on vehicles or helicopters during direct action missions. Its immense firepower is invaluable for engaging fortified positions, light armored vehicles, and enemy personnel from a distance. While it is less mobile than the M249 or M240 Billion, the M2's firepower can decimate enemy positions in moments. MK48 Mod 1. A more specialized weapon used primarily by Special Operations units, the MK48 Mod 1 is a 7.62mm light machine gun with a high rate of fire and enhanced portability compared to the M240 Billion.
She got it ranged.
It's designed for operators who need heavier firepower than the M249 but still require mobility in fast-paced, high-stakes environments like direct action raids. Direct action tactics with machine guns. When us soldiers engage in direct action missions using machine guns, several tactics are employed to maximize their effectiveness. Fire and maneuver. A fundamental tactic in direct action is fire and maneuver, where one element of the unit provides suppressive fire while another element moves forward to engage the enemy. Machine gunners play a crucial role in this tactic by laying down a constant stream of bullets, pinning down enemy forces, and allowing their teammates to advance. The overwhelming firepower keeps the enemy's head down, limiting their ability to return effective fire. Suppression and Overwatch. Machine guns are often used in an overwatch position to provide covering fire for assault teams as they close in on the objective. The machine gunners engage any enemy forces attempting to disrupt the assault, ensuring the team can move forward safely. This tactic is particularly important during raids on fortified positions, where enemy forces may have the advantage of defensive cover. Bounding Overwatch. Bounding Overwatch is a technique where one team moves forward while the other remains stationary, providing cover. Machine guns are ideal for the stationary team, as they can deliver sustained fire to cover the movement of friendly forces. Once the advancing team reaches a new position, they take up the Overwatch role while the previous team moves forward. This leapfrogging technique allows for safe, controlled advances in combat zones. Close Quarters Battle CQB. Although machine guns are often associated with longer range engagements, they can also be used effectively in Close Quarters Battle CQB. In urban environments, soldiers may encounter enemies in tight spaces, and the ability to lay down rapid, suppressive fire can be crucial. Weapons like the M249 SAW are particularly well suited for this role, as they combine high firepower with maneuverability. Ambush and counter-ambush. In ambush situations, machine guns are typically the first weapons fired to shock the enemy and prevent them from mounting an effective defense. By rapidly suppressing the enemy, U.S. soldiers can seize the initiative and overwhelm the ambush force. In counter-ambush scenarios, machine guns are used to break free from the ambush and establish fire superiority, allowing friendly forces to regain control of the battlefield. Machine guns in modern warfare. In modern warfare, direct action missions remain a core capability of us military units, particularly within the Special Operations Command SOCOM. Machine guns continue to be indispensable in these operations due to their ability to provide immediate, overwhelming firepower in situations where seconds can mean the difference between mission success and failure. While technology and precision munitions have increased the lethality of modern forces, the raw firepower offered by machine guns ensures that soldiers can still dominate the battlefield in high-intensity firefights. In the future, as U.S. military forces continue to evolve, the role of machine guns in direct action missions will remain vital, providing the suppressive fire necessary to defeat enemies and accomplish complex objectives in hostile environments.
Left. Hit left, come back right.
The soldiers rely on machine guns as a critical tool in direct action shooting missions. Whether providing suppressive fire, engaging in fire and maneuver tactics, or supporting assault teams, machine guns are a powerful force multiplier that can turn the tide in battle. With their versatility and overwhelming firepower, machine guns remain a cornerstone of us military strategy in the execution of direct action missions, ensuring success in even the most challenging and high-stakes combat scenarios.